Welcome back, another episode, bogeys. Still at the floor, and it's a horrible day. Are we recording? Yeah, we're recording. Yeah, horrible day, it's been raining all day. And this will be yesterday in your world. I had to be to London as well, work, so I've just got back from London Bridge. No Stellas, so I had to pick myself up some Belgium lager from Marks and Spencer's. But before I do start, I just wanted to say well done to my daughter, youngest daughter, Madison, who passed her driving test today in this weather. So congratulations to her. We got the Mini outside for her, but that won't be a full-time car, so she wasn't too bothered about just getting a car at the moment, but she's got the test, all good. Another expense finished, university next, so that's the next expense. But anyway, congratulations to the previous daughter that passed 2 years ago as well, before she gets upset that I haven't congratulated her from 2 years ago because I hadn't run the YouTube channel then. So anyway, where are we? So yeah, got all around the outside done, got the floor. What we need to do now is I've got a little hole just to fill up here. Might as well do that before I flip it over. And then I think we'll get inside and we'll push the floor down at the front here, get some tack welds and get that welded up from the inside. And then we can see how it is fitting to the bulkhead, get some plug welds on that if that all looks good. Then we can start thinking about doing the plug welds at the back, the steel board. And then spot weld along the doorsteps and inside. So we've got lots to do. So let's keep it simple. Let's try and fill this hole up and have some of this Belgium lager, which is actually quite nice to be fair. Okay, did that. We ground a little bit of the back away there using the thin blade, which I know I shouldn't, but I find it a bit easier sometimes, even though it's a bit dangerous. So what you need to do now is flip the car over. Oh, my garage roof has got so many leaks, which isn't ideal when you're trying to restore a classic. What we also got to do yet, we've still got to cut the tabs off that hold the fuel pipes, the brake pipes, but we can do that much later. So yeah, bloody, I must replace a roof one day, but it's a pain in the arse to do in time. But anyway, let's roll this baby over and let's see if we can get inside. I'm not too sure which way I roll it over at the moment. I might actually roll it back up the other way so we're actually sort of standing inside the car. As I said, I talked about rotating the whole thing around once, but that never happened. Alright. Tools are getting wet. Yes, and I need to clean my floor up. Okay, that's a very weird looking shot, and I'm not getting the best light in angle. So I do apologise. So hopefully you can see, I don't know, I can't see it on the camera very well, but you can see my bulkhead. I was a bit precarious rolling the car over that way, first time I've done that, but it seemed to go alright. So what I can do is go in through the sunroof and climb in there, and we can gently persuade the front of the bulkhead to match, the front of the floor to match the bulkhead. And it is pissing down. And my roof is leaking, and anyway, can't grumble, can we? Can't grumble. Alright, I don't know really how much you can see of that, but at least hopefully you'll be able to see me do something. I'll see if I can tilt this light down a bit. really not helping much. So anyway, crack on. Alright, I'm going to leave it there for the night. I'll need to roll it right round so it's not the right angle. It seems quite nice, but actually it's not working very well. I'll just stab my hand again. I made that bleed, so. But yeah, it's not looking too bad in there. Clean it all up with the grinder, etch primer, sandblast it, stone chip, everything. I won't be stone chipping the inside just for your interest there. I shouldn't have said that. And yeah, so yeah, let's roll it right over tomorrow so we can get to it from the other side, even though there's not much room on the other side of the garage. It'll be a lot better to do. And yeah, and we'll just go from there. Yeah, just looking now at that top quarter, that rear quarter. I think it needs going in. I think it's too far out, which would take into account the line where it's bowing out. So I think we're going to have to look at that before we go too crazy. Otherwise what will happen is you'll end up, you know, ½ inch of filler to try and make some sort of nice line down there. And it's never going to work. So that's my mistake again. I should have checked that a little bit better when I was doing it. I might just get away with a slight tap of a hammer and it might go anyway. It's going to need filler in that corner anyway, but the key thing is to try not to get too much filler in it. Anyway, I take my Marks and Spencer's beer back in there and think about things. So yeah, sorry, not too much progress tonight, was there? But it's one of those nights, peeing down the rain, it's good just to at least get out here and get a few welds on something. So let's turn the weld off and turn the gas off before I forget. Whoa. And we must tidy up at some point as well. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. It's easier just to waffle sometimes, but we got work done. We got work done. And been a long day anyway. So yeah. Yep. All right. Well, we've got this parcel to open, but that's for the race car, and we don't talk about the race car in this episode. So goodbye.